Hi friends, I am Lakshi and welcome back to my channel. We all need brighten, young and clear skin, but we haven't time to do skincare properly. So today in this video, I will show you amazing Japanese skincare technique by using rice. You can do this once a week. This will help to make lighten, glowing and younger looking on your skin. Let's start today rice facial. We have to make rice cream first. Take 5 tablespoons of boiled rice and raw milk. Now put all the ingredients into the blender jar and blend well until it is smooth and creamy. You can see now our rice cream is ready. Let's go and start facial. First step is cleansing. Take 1 tablespoon of rice cream and 1 teaspoon of gram flour. Mix well. Now it's completely ready. Now apply this cleanser all over your face and massage 3 to 4 minutes. After massaging, take a cotton cloth and clean your face like this. After that, wash your face with normal water. This cleanser will help to remove all dirt from your face deeply. Next step is scrubbing. Add 1 tablespoon of rice cream and 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Mix well. Now it's ready to apply. Now apply this scrub all over your face and scrub 2 minutes. Coffee powder is an excellent ingredient. It helps to remove blackheads and whiteheads from your face. It also helps to brighten up your skin tone. After scrubbing, wash your face with normal water. Next step is massage cream. Take 2 tablespoons of rice cream. For this step, only use rice cream. Apply rice cream on your face and gently massage 10 minutes. This will help to tighten your skin and get younger looking skin. After facial massage, take a cotton cloth and clean your face. After that, wash your face with normal water. Last step is face pack. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of rice cream, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder and 1 teaspoon of wild turmeric powder. Mix well. Now it's ready to use. Apply this pack all over your face and wait for 15 minutes. After that, wash it off with normal water. This pack will help to brighten up your uneven skin tone. You know friends, rice is an amazing ingredient for skincare. Rice include a lot of minerals and vitamins. So this will help to get younger looking and glowing skin. You can do this facial simply at home. No need waste your money to parlor. Try this facial and tell me your results. If you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with next video. Till then, take care and bye.